my name's Laura Finley. I've been a nurse practitioner in the OBGYN department out at Parker Hospital since July of 2023. As a nurse practitioner, I essentially see any woman with any healthcare concerns that are GYN or breast related. So we see patients for breast exams, new breast concerns, vaginal infections, any contraceptive visit, hormone replacement, and obviously OB when women are expecting an addition to their family. The biggest thing is empowering women. My mother was a nurse too, and she loved her work, so that was very inspiring since I was about 6 years old. But as far as working with women, I really wanted to empower women and give them the choice to how to handle their lives, including childbearing, and anything I can do that also makes life easier across the lifespan, whether it's birth control, childbearing, or possible hormone needs as menopause approaches and comes through. My biggest job is to provide as many options as I can. I can always help narrow it down if somebody's wondering which direction they'd like to go with medication, with care, with family planning. But my favorite thing is to give as many options as possible and help a patient choose the one that fits best in their life. So the choice is theirs, but I'm there to present as many options and guide if needed.